Hello lovely people, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Frankie, I'm a hairdresser, and in today's video I'm going to reveal some of my wavy hair hacks. But before we start, today's hair is day 2 after washing. I slept with my hair in buns last night, which has created this lovely soft wave. Right, let's get into it. Hack 1, say no to hairbrushes. Firstly, if you have wavy or curly hair and you're using a hairbrush, then honey, you need to get rid of it. The tension the brush creates whilst you're pulling it through your hair is ruining your curls and damaging your curl pattern. Wavy and curly hair can be more prone to breaking, and a hairbrush isn't going to help that. Your hairbrush is going to create more frizz and leave you with limp and lifeless curls. So how do I brush my hair, I hear you say? Well, I personally brush my hair in the shower. I use a wide tooth comb and I start from ends and then work up to the roots. I never brush my hair when it's dry, and I never use a hairbrush. So you're gonna need to get yourself a wide tooth comb, and if you feel like midweek or in between washes your hair's getting a little bit matted or tangled through the back, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray those areas down, and with your wide tooth comb you're just gonna work through that area to get the tangles out. Replacing your hairbrush with a comb is going to completely change your curls. Next, we are going to move on to the microfiber towel, but first, make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you want to stay up to date with my wavy hair routine. Videos on co-washing and all things curls to come. Hack 2, get yourself a microfiber towel. The microfiber towel reduces friction because it soaks up the water super quick. You shouldn't be rubbing your curls or causing much friction at all, because that's going to cause frizz. Putting your soaking wet hair straight into a microfiber towel like this, hanging your head over, putting the towel on top and wrapping your hair up is going to reduce frizz and reduce drying time. Microfiber towels are great for reducing drying time because they soak all of the water up super quickly. Everybody's curls are different and you need to find something that works for you, but one thing that I do when I get out of the shower is I hang my hair over, I put all of my products in when my hair is soaking wet, and then I put the microfiber towel on whilst I've scrunched my hair into the towel. That just is something that works for me. Everyone's curls are different. If you have really coily hair, you might want to towel with the microfiber towel, you might want to towel dry it off slightly first, put your products in and then put it in the towel. Find something that works for you because not everyone's hair is the same. Hack 3, bedtime buns. I've only recently started doing this, but it has changed my life. What I do is I part my hair in the center and I put 2 low buns at the base of my nape and sleep in it that way. Previously, I've slept with my hair in a loose, low ponytail, but as you probably know, when you do that, you wake up in the morning, your hair is literally all over the place. So that kind of pulls the curls out because of that tension in the night. So when you have it kind of wrapped into that roll at the back, it's almost keeping those waves in place. When I first wash my hair on day 1, I always scrunch my hair and I have a lot more of an S-shaped wave. But as the days go on, if I don't wet my hair again in the morning, my wave kind of gets looser and more ringlety, which I'm absolutely fine with. I absolutely love that look. But this is the best way that I can keep my hair wavy, not having to wet it, scrunch it and dry it every morning. And last but definitely not least is hack 4, no touching. I don't touch my hair at all, apart from when I've put my products in when it's wet. I leave my hair in my microfiber towel for at least an hour, and that way it's 80% dry. The way that I kind of see it in my head is that all of my products have been scrunched into my hair's gone up into the microfiber towel, therefore it's all quite compact and scrunched close to my root, creating as much volume in those curls as possible. But if you're sort of air drying your hair, you've put a bit of product in and every so often you're gonna scrunch it and run your hands through it, that's not gonna be any good for your curls. It's gonna loosen your wave, it's going to add frizz to your hair, and it can cause breakage as well because without you knowing, you're constantly touching and making your hair feel weaker. Basically, just try and leave your luscious locks alone. Don't twist them, don't pull them out, just try and let them do their own thing. Well guys, that was my super quick and easy wavy hair hacks to keep your hair as wavy as possible for longer with no frizz and no damage. These hacks work for me, but they might need slightly modifying for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. I've got wavy hair routines coming up soon, as well as co-washing and product reviews. It's been lovely chatting to you guys, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.